Hey guys, and as you can see, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why I'm up so late, but yeah. So I literally typed my friend Rock. His name is Live2Rock. Now, about to show you his username. I know this is like kind of pretty. He's gonna be pretty mad, but here he is. And I told him because this group. Okay, I'm about to show you the group. So the other day, yesterday, I made a video and I didn't publish it though because I forgot. That was the same day that my Roblox account was 0. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. So I went to the group and when you know how you go to the group and it like refreshes your page. See, like right here, it doesn't say the little circle. I saw my Roblox account that I had 1 Robux, and I was like, I thought I was supposed to get 10 Robux from this group right here. Let me click on it right there. See this? See that right there? I know you see it. That group right there. The owner, his name is Mohammed Aza, like 1, 2, 3, 4 or something. I joined that group so I can get Robux. I have never got Robux in my whole entire life being on Roblox. I mean, a lot of accounts, a lot. My first account was Lil Morning because I made that account when I was at least 5. And I wasn't even legal to play Roblox, but you know, okay. So if you go down, oh my god, my thing is acting so slow. Oh my god, okay. See, his name is Liv. Now let me go back to the chat because I said lived. See, this used to be 10, but my friend that I just showed y'all with the hair, he is the one who spent more Robux on it. Yeah. Let me go down. It's not letting me go down. Okay, there. Okay, I said Azza right here. He's the one that made the Scorpio. I said Azza, uh, live, just make the group funds bigger because I only have 1 Robux. Now, he changed his account because he used to have, a lot of hair. Now, I said, can I have Robux? I'll buy your shirt. I think it's really cool, dude. And, yeah, I thought he was going to give me 10 Robux. Also, a few, one day later, because you see I published this on the 5th, October 5th. One day later, on October 6th, he said, everyone is getting Robux because I'm nice. Guys, if you saw my funds, you know that I just spent loads of Robux, of my Robux, and now I'm poor. You made me do this, guys. Hey, Bacon, what are you going to do with the money I gave you? The bacon that he's talking about is right here. This guy was rude. I don't know who this guy is, but yeah. Then on that same day, a few minutes later, like 2 hours later, I said, as I live, made a group funds bigger because I only have 1 Robux. He didn't respond, but lived respond in the chat, and yeah, I was trying to come up with ideas because his sister, he knows the account. So yeah, let me go up. Let me go. Let me go up. 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 Okay. Go up. Okay. 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 I can't go up. Okay, I'm about to read this whole thing to you guys. It's not really a long conversation, but yeah. So yeah, we're talking about, let me go all the way up when we start talking about this, because y'all need to know this. My fans need to know this, and everybody needs to know this. If you don't know me, then yeah. Okay. Uh, he said he meant to put 0. Okay. I just told him I got Robux. And then I was like, hey, maybe it glitched. You know how you try to type in the number 10 or the number and it doesn't pop up? And I was like, maybe he did not get the 0. And he said to me that he meant to put the 1. And I said, so he wanted to give me 1 Robux. And Liv said, yeah, I'ma just donate more my Robux to that group. Now, when I told you it was 10, he deleted it, and I was like, yeah, you donated more, which is good, but never mind. I tried him, then he unfriended me because he didn't know me, which I understand. Oh yeah, he did. Okay, okay, what is it? What is it? I don't know. I tried to put the what the hell emoji. I'm gonna play Asa games. Me too. I'm just yeah. Asa is the guy who made the group. I guess my dream didn't come true, but kinda. I guess my dream came true, but kinda didn't. Well, you say you wanted Robux, and you got it, but it only was a tiny little bit. And I'll say yeah. I thought I would have 10 or 5. He has a lot of funds on his group. Yeah, I checked. I really hope I get some. He said, I will no more. He see Liv. It was talking to the guy because Liv is admin on this group, so, and he was talking to Asa on chat, and he said that I will no longer I will no longer have Robux, guys. My Robux is for my group, which means he want only Robux on the show. He's not gonna be giving it to one. So why would you make up a fund if you're not gonna give it to someone? See what I'm talking about? Like, you get my point? So he's just gonna make the Robux for himself. That's what I'm getting. And I'm saying he's like, don't get mad, please, because when I get mad, I get mad. Or is he going to use it for the group show? I'm not, because I was responding when he said, don't get mad, please, but I was really mad. And then he was like, okay, but I don't think that's what he meant, though. I know. Actually, I don't know what he really meant. I'm just thinking. Me neither. I got an idea. What is it? You know your sis account? Because you know his sis password account, and she's kind of like new to Roblox. No, she's not, but she's new to like the games. Y- yeah, he said, yeah. Well, I know this sounds weird, but maybe what? If you go on your sister's account and tell him, friend your sis, you can convince him to give out Robux again. You may have to switch accounts though, because you know he got to keep going back and forth to his account and her account. Nah, he won't give out Robux anymore. Well, it all on you. Well, it's all on you, because that meant I see. I told him to make a new group. He didn't make a group. I already tried to convince him a couple of days ago, and he said no, I tried my best. Well, that's rude. I thought he was nice. 'Cause he said, remember he said, 'cause I'm nice. Well, you can't be that nice. Wait, what am I even saying? Yeah, what are you saying? 'Cause I'm thinking, like, what am I, I'm thinking he's saying, oh, what am I saying? You should be that nice. And I'm like, you should always be nice no matter what. And he was like, I meant I don't want to keep asking him Robux 'cause I think it would be mad. And I was like, yeah, you're right, but still, you should always be nice. Well, you got in a fight yesterday and you didn't be nice. No offense, I'm just speaking the truth. What fight? Because I was really mad at him. I wanted to punch. I wanted to punch him. Argument, I meant. And I got into a big argument with somebody and I didn't care. Okay? You might as well say I just get in arguments every single day. Because I'm like, I got a smart mouth on Roblox and I don't care. Okay. No, really, I'm not mad. And you know I was mad. You know I was hot in this room. I'm gonna put jailbreak because I'm really depressed and down right now. Why are you depressed? Not because of the robots, just everything that goes in my life. Well, I'm depressed too. So yeah, I was just depressed about really. So yeah, guys, just tell me what to do. Just give me a group or make a group yourself and to be like, hey, you can join my group and I'll give you some of those. I'll follow you and I'll give you shout out in every single video. Like, I'll literally shout you out like a lot of times. And make sure you follow me on Roblox. I'm so pretty girl. And yeah, this is cringy as heck. But anyways, bye.